One, two, three, let's go. Check it, beat it, rock it.
Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well out there. Myself and the dog, we're outside in the sun, eh, Mika? Nice in the sun. Anyway, what we got going on here, I'll give you a clue. We got that in there, and an empty brake rear cable. So we've picked up a small fault in the hydraulic cable the other day, and she was leaking oil, still is. Drip out of that cable. Yeah, we got a hole on that side. So what we're about to do is take out the old cable in preparation for the new cable that's coming next week. I'll get back to you. There's that nice big battery sitting in there. So we got the top deck off, that was easy enough. And some more specs there. But righto, we got to get this cable out of there, unwind all this plastic stuff, and that looks pretty solid there. See what happens. But we'll untwound all that, and I've got a plan for getting this cable out. I'll show you in a sec. Alright, we've got all them wires exposed. But to unwind all that, there was a little bit of heat shrink up the top here. But anyway, I was going to think that the cable was going to be hard to get out, but that moves pretty freely. But I do want to do something just as a precaution. I'll show you what my plan is. So what I've thought of doing is just attaching a bit of fishing wire to the end, just to help putting it back through on the next one. So that pushes down fairly easily. Hopefully the fishing wire doesn't pop off, which I think it's just about to, because that looks pretty tight down there actually. Anyway, let's just pull it. There goes my fishing wire. Loaded good that was. But that came through easy. As an experiment, I'm going to try and get it back through. Here we go. Alright, no cable dangling through. Let's try and push it back through and see how easy it is. Not a problem, fellas. Best coming from the top. I got it coming down here, but won't be hard to get it through there. I can almost do it one-handed, but yeah, best way to come in is from the top down, feed it that way through. Do not come up the gooseneck, go down. And yeah, it just slides straight through. Look at that, where is it? Straight gone, there you go. Not a problem. Easy, guys. Let's do that again just to show you how easy it is. Don't worry about it. Change your cable colour. Do whatever you want. It's easy. There you go. Pull that through. Too easy. Oh, that's the preparation done for the new cable. The hardest part's going to be putting these end bits on. But I've bought the special tool to do that. So it shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, nobody in Canberra said they could do it. I'm going to have a little rant now. I rang up a few places here in Canberra, and they all said no. We can't risk insurance, blah blah blah, this, that, the other. Excuses they were giving me. I even rang up a scooter shop, he couldn't do it. I kind of laughed and said, it's just a hydraulic cable. So I've just put it on myself to do it at home. And that's the only way you're going to learn shit. Oh, we'll put this semi back together and get back on with the Sunday duties. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back on the road real soon. Mika, say bye. Say bye. See yous.